Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to uninstall apps. So we have two methods. So firstly, let's move on to our first method. So we could see here's an Alibaba app. So I'm simply going to press it and we could see there's a lot of options, and on the left bottom corner we could see there's a remove uninstall app info, and on the middle we could see there's an uninstall button. So I'm just simply going to tap it there and we could simply uninstall this app. So we also have, so here's, do you want to uninstall this app? So I'm going to tap OK. So we just uninstalled this app and let's move on to another one. First we have to open to our settings. So I just tapped it here and we could see here's a lot of options. So we just have to tap it to app management. We could see on this blue font. I'm going to simply tap it here, and I'm also going to tap it to app settings, and here are a lot of apps here. So I would like to just tap one of the app right here, which is Fiber, and we could see on the bottom, on the middle, we could see there's an uninstall button. So I'm just going to tap it here as well. So here's an uninstall. So do you want to uninstall this app? So I'm just simply going to tap it to OK. So here is it guys, we just uninstalled two apps with two methods, and I really hope that it helps to you. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you have any queries for it.